So, you want to get started into vlogging, but you're looking for a good wireless mic system and you don't want to shell out some big bucks for the nice expensive ones. But yeah, I got some for you. It's under 50 bucks. It's actually under 43 bucks. Yeah, crazy, right? By the way, welcome to the channel. I'm a content creator. If you're new to this channel, I do a bunch of different. I have a bunch of different channels where it's with food related, music related, firearm related, photography, video related, everything. Thanks for watching, and don't forget that subscribe button. I don't know why I said bing. I could just add it right. So this is the Ulanzi J12 dual wireless microphone system. This system comes in its own case where it also charges everything inside. This case actually can charge up the system 4 to 5 times, while with each receiver and transmitter it does last up to 6 to 7 hours and can be charged separately via USB-C cable. The transmitters goes in through the lightning port, and you can use any app to start recording. If you don't have an iPhone, this does come in a USB-C version for the Android users. So right now we're in a very loud restaurant to test out the 3 for noise canceling. This is without the noise canceling. Here's the first click. So that's the first noise cancellation. There's loud noises behind me. I'm gonna have to listen to it once I edit the video, but y'all can hear it right now. Here's the second. So that's the second click of the button. I don't know if it sounds different with a noise cancellation. Yep, talking. We're doing a early Mother's Day lunch for my mom. She's leaving for the Philippines tomorrow. Here's the third click of the noise cancellation. So yeah. Oh yeah, and if I double click, it will mute this. So yeah, pretty nifty for a wireless microphone system under 50 bucks. Cool thing about this microphone system is if you hit it 3 times, you get reverb. I don't know why you need reverb. Probably if you want to sing something for TikTok or something. See, cool. Yeah, it has reverb. So yeah, for the price of what, under 43 bucks, I think this is a perfect microphone system for content creators, for vloggers, or people who want to start vlogging. I mean, compared to the more expensive ones, this one's just more convenient, I guess. Alright, so that's it for this little review video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out all the other channels that I do, which is firearms, food, music, photography, everything. Check them out. Links all down below. Deuces.